Hi everyone, so today we're going to talk about our Ishga Active Cleansing Lotion and just go through a couple of benefits of the ingredients that we have used in that. So as we know as therapists, the most important part of our skincare regime is the cleansing part, the washing of the skin. We know that daily grime and makeup builds up upon the skin. So it's really important that we cleanse our face in the morning because overnight our skin produces oil and we do need to wash that away before we start the day, and also in the evening, which is just important to remove any sort of daily grime, pollution, makeup or anything that will fall onto the skin throughout the day. So it's really important that we do our cleansing regime twice per day. So with our ishga products, we have the great benefit of that they're suitable for all skin types. And this is because of the host of ingredients in the products, particularly with the seaweed, because there's so many benefits and 86 different vitamins and minerals. So there is always something in there which will benefit every different skin type out there. So with our cleansing lotion, the base we have is cocoa butter. Now, many people know cocoa butter. It's been used for centuries in skincare, mostly due to its hydration and moisturising properties, but particularly because cocoa butter is very, very high in fatty acids. So anything that's high in fatty acids will hydrate and protect the skin. So a lot of people use pure cocoa butter for eczema, dermatitis, psoriasis. So anyone with a very, very dry skin will find cocoa butter particularly useful. So you'll find that the base of the cleanser is quite thick due to the cocoa butter, but lovely and absorbent, so not too heavy, not too oily on the skin. The other base we have is jojoba. So jojoba oil is what we describe as a long oil, and anything like that is very, very similar to our skin, our own skin type and texture. So the reason jojoba oil is good is because it doesn't block the pores. It's known as a sort of slightly waxy oil. So even for people with oily skin that are worried about a high oil content will find that if they use the correct oil, that it's not going to block their pores if they're prone to blackheads or breakouts or spots. So very, very good for oily skin as well. Because it has the slight oil base, it's very good for removing eye makeup, so even waterproof mascara. So when we're doing our professional facial, we use the cleanser just over the eyes, just with damp cotton pads, and you can do this at home as well, or tell your clients to do this at home, because there's no need for then a separate eye makeup remover. Some eye makeup removers can be slightly oily and quite heavy in the eyes, and the eye is such a sensitive area that you really don't want to use anything too strong to cause irritation. So all you would do with your cleanser when you're doing your normal regime is just place a little bit over the eyes with a damp cotton pad, and you'll find that very quickly removes waterproof mascara, eyeliner, eyeshadow, anything like that. The other thing we have is, of course, our seaweed extract, all organic extracts in our products with ishga, a very, very high extract, and the seaweed is the most important fact because obviously you've got your anti-inflammatory, your antibacterial properties in the seaweed, the hydration, the protection element of it. So together, just with your cocoa butter and jojoba, you've got a whole host of benefits there to sort of soften and purify the skin. And that's why people, if they have an oilier skin or a drier skin or a sensitive skin, because the ingredients are so powerful and because we have so many benefits within each one, they will tailor to the specific skin type that's being used. We also have fresh lemon peel, fresh lemon rind. So that is very antiseptic. So again, great for a slightly oilier or more sort of antibacterial skin. Great for breakouts or acne. It's a very, very cleansing element and it makes the product smell beautiful as well. We also have added vitamin E in there. So again, combined with the seaweed and the cocoa butter and all your benefits, we do have a lot of vitamins and minerals in there. So your Active Cleansing Lotion comes in your full size, your 100ml, and also in the little travel size, which is 30ml, and that's really good for holiday time, for travels, for weekends away, and you can use either or to start and end the day for your skin care regime. So I hope that helps, and tomorrow we'll be back with the toner for you. Thank you.